Hey everyone, welcome to jtechzone. Are you ready to unlock the power of Kali Linux? Whether you are aspiring to become an ethical hacker, want to deep dive into a penetration testing, or simply need a robust platform for cybersecurity tasks, you are in the right place. Today, I am going to guide you step by step through installing Kali Linux, the industry standard operating system built by security professionals for security professionals. Forget generic OS installs. Kali comes packed with the specialized tools you need. Alright, let's get our hands dirty. The very first thing we need to install Kali Linux is the official OS image. Head over to kali.org. That's the official Kali Linux download page. Once you are there, you will see options to download the image directly or use a torrent. For most users, the direct download is straightforward, but torrenting can be faster if you have a good connection or if the direct servers are slow. Grab the version that suits your system. Got the image downloaded? Perfect. Now, that downloaded file isn't something you can just copy to a USB drive and expect it to work. We need to make it bootable. For this, we'll use a handy little tool. My personal favorite and one I highly recommend. That is Rufus. It's incredibly lightweight, just a few megabytes, and super effective. You can download Rufus directly from the official website. Once you have Rufus downloaded, open it up. It's very user-friendly tool. First, carefully select the USB drive you want to use for the Kali installation. Double check this. You don't want to accidentally wipe the wrong drive. Next, click to select the Kali Linux ISO image you just downloaded. Refers will usually fill in the optimal settings, but you can review them if you are curious. Once you are set, hit start and Refers works its magic, creating your bootable Kali Linux drive. Now that you have created your bootable USB, plug it into your system and power it on. Make sure your BIOS or UEFI is set to boot from the USB first. You will see the Kali Linux boot menu. Here you have two main options. The graphical install, which is the recommended for most users. Then the install, which is text mode and is for advanced users. If you are using a live image, you will also see a live option which lets you test Kali Linux without installing. For this guide, we will select graphical install. Next, choose your preferred language. This affects both the installer and your final system. Pick what's most comfortable for you. Now, select your country and keyboard layout. If you are unsure, the default usually works fine. Time to name your system. Enter a host name. This is how your machine will identify itself on a network. I will just call mine as Kali for simplicity. You can also add a domain name if needed, but most home users can skip it. Now, create your user account. Fill in the full name, a username, and most importantly, a strong password. Kali is a security focused OS, so don't cut corners here. Next up, disk partitioning. Since we are installing Kali on a clean drive, we'll choose guided use entire disk option. Warning, this will erase all the data on the selected disk. If you are dual booting, pick guided use largest free space option instead. For partitioning scheme, all files in one partition is the simplest choice for beginners. Review your settings carefully. This is your last chance before the installer make irreversible changes. Ready? Hit continue. You will also see options for meta packages. The default are great for most users, but power users can customize here. Almost done. Finally, click continue to reboot. Congratulations. You have just installed Kali Linux. And there you have it. Kali Linux is now ready to unleash. Whether you're breaking into cybersecurity, testing networks, or just exploring the world of pen testing, you have just armed yourself with the ultimate toolkit. Remember, practice responsibly. Kali's tools are powerful, so always use them ethically and legally. Stay updated. Run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade regularly to keep your tools sharp. Dig deeper. This is just the beginning. Check the description for our recommended Kali tutorials and tool guides. If this video helps you, smash the like button and subscribe for more deep dive into cybersecurity, hacking, and Linux. Got questions or requests? Drop them in the comment section. I read everyone. Again, I read everyone. Until next time, happy hacking and stay curious. Bye bye.